y'all, what's up? It's your girl CC back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. If you're already a member of the family, welcome back, fam. So today we are doing our Halloween DIYs. I have about 3 DIYs that I need to get done in order to start my Halloween decorating. So we have the mantle to decorate first, and I don't know if that will be in today's video, but it will be coming up in Vlogtober. If nothing else, it's gonna be a Vlogtober episode, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But we've got to do our first DIY, which is something that's been all over TikTok, all over Instagram. You guys have probably seen it, but we gonna do it ourselves, and that is the tomato cage ghost. So let's get started. So I had the bright idea to make the one for inside the house with a Sherpa blanket. So I went and got this plush throw from Walmart, I believe. So you're gonna need a plush blanket or a white sheet. So the one for outside is gonna have a white sheet because I'm making 2. So then I just picked up these $9 sheets from Walmart as well. Grabbed a thing of felt for the eyes. This was like 49 cents at Michael's. Yep. Michael's. And then for the small one, I got this head, this little Crafty Flow polyfoam ball. But for the big one, for inside, I had to get 2 of these and I'm gonna hot glue them together because they didn't have a big dome head. So that's what I'm about to do.
Nigga, my crack sell. My brother in the kitchen and he rapping the bell. Louis V my bag and Louis V on my belt.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor gives it to me. I've been thinking.
Next, you need eyeballs. So I'm using the felt.
Can I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Why can't I keep my fingers off you, baby? I want you. Nah, nah. Cigars on ice, cigars on ice. Feeling like an animal with these cameras all in my grill, flashing lights.
Okay, so I had got these pumpkins from Target's little dollar spot. It's just a Sherpa pumpkin. It was $3. So I'm gonna add a little razzle dazzle to the indoors pumpkin. So we're gonna hot glue this on. I'm gonna get some different hot glue gun because my little one ain't gonna do it. So I'm gonna run to Walmart and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back from, where did we go? We went to Home Depot and Target because I needed some stuff, cause yeah. So we got a new toy Babe just opened up. It is the, what is this? The Ryobi mini hot glue gun. There it is. And we picked up some lights for the ghost, but we're almost done with our first DIY. So let's get the gluing.
All night and everything alright. No complaints with my body, so fluorescent under these lights. Boy, I'm drinking, walking in my life, 7 living. I'm rubbing on it, rubbing. If you scared, call that ribbon. Boy, I'm drinking, get my brain right. I'm on the run, yeah, gangsta wife. Louis sheets, he sweat it out like wash rags. He wet out, boy, I'm drinking, I'm singing. On the mic to my voice hoarse, then I fill the tub up halfway, then ride it with my surfboard, graining on that wood, graining on that wood. I'm swerving on that, swerving on that big body, been serving all this. Surfing all and it's good.
The money is the motive. Fuck with the money, it get ugly as.
Give y'all a good little shot. So our first DIY project is done, and I think they came out pretty cute. It was a lot of trial and error. Definitely some things I will probably do differently next year, like add arms, but I think they came out really cute. I'm so excited to use them. Let me know what you guys think about the ghost down below in the comment section, and let's go to the next craft. I'll see you guys in my office. Let's go. All right, y'all. So the next project that I'm going to be working on is a cauldron, and I just picked this up from Target in the $10 spot. Well, the threshold spot, you know, the bullseye spot, and it was $10. So you're going to need a cauldron. You could do one of the spears like we use for the ghost heads, but I forgot to pick up one, so I'm using a piece of a pool noodle that I need to cut down a little bit more. You're gonna need some snow blanket, and the most important thing, hold on y'all, I'll be right back. The important thing are these disco balls. Now you can use plain glass balls if that's what you choose, but y'all know I'm a little extra, so disco balls it is. And you're also gonna need some fairy lights.
Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers. Hold a shrimp and lobster pies, but it's me that gets come on. When you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You set me up on the counter, instantly it's thunder showers. Storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a
Touch. Can you play that again?
Real sexy, real sexy, real sexy. I could do this for I could do this for give me a super.
Come on, girl. Bend it over, 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 bend it. Come on, bend it over. Come on, girl.
I could do this for
Come on, girl.
I could do I could do
Real sexy, real sexy, real sexy.
All right, y'all, so here it is, our DIY disco ball light up cauldron. I think it's super cute. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're gonna try this craft. On to the next one. All right, you guys, so the third DIY project we're gonna do is another Target DIY, and I already have one of these on my kitchen counter, but I am going to do one of these probably either for Grayson's room, or I really want to find somewhere. I really want to find somewhere to put it in my office, so it'll probably stay in my office. So this was in a dollar spot at Target. It was $5. All right, so if you can find one still at your Target, grab you one. If not, try it next year. But they were still out when I went to Target. I still saw some earlier this week. So this is like the most simple craft of them all. So you're gonna need some snow blanket. And I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. And quite a bit goes a long way, because like I told you guys, I already used this for the one in the kitchen. And then I just used it on our cauldron, and now I'm using it again. So a little bit goes a long way, and I'm still got plenty more. You're just gonna rip you some. Like so. We're gonna need a little bit more. Boom. See that? Yeah. Then you can get you some fairy lights. Hobby Lobby, $5. So this is really like a $10 project, because $5 $5, and then this was cheap, and you can use it a whole bunch of times. And y'all, fairy lights. These little jokers, they so pretty, but they are annoying. But they're definitely necessary. So make sure y'all got y'all some, not just for this holiday season, but every holiday season, because you can use them in so many ways. And these are tangled right now, but it don't even matter. So you're just gonna take it and just wrap it in there. No rhyme or reason. You're stuffing back in there. Stretch it out. Yeah, we're gonna add a little bit more. Pop it at the bottom, and boom. Isn't he cute? And he fits my little boo crew. So I'm gonna hit the light so you guys can see him in action. Isn't he cute? I love him. So here he is. A quick little DIY that is gonna spruce up your space. I'm gonna set him right here for now, but that is not gonna be where he lives, but he looks cute there. And I got a bonus. Since y'all not getting no recipe in here, we got a bonus project. So let's head into the dining room for this project. So for the last DIY, I am doing, these were actually candy dishes that I got from Home Goods. Well, this was actually a candy dish that I got from Home Goods, but I'm gonna make it a little planter for the front yard. So I picked up some mums, and we are going to just repot it in here. Simple, but very cute. So I picked up some mums from Home Depot. These were $6. Let me see if I could tell y'all how much this was. This was $29.99. Y'all, this is a messy little project, but it's so cute. And I should have did this outside. But it's dark outside, and I wanted y'all to be able to see. All right, so that's one. All right, y'all, so same concept, but I picked him up yesterday. We went to Home Goods, and I couldn't leave him there. I couldn't, even though he doesn't really match my aesthetic, we're gonna make it work. So this one was $34.99, but his head is a little bigger, but our mummy is a little bit taller. His head is a little bit bigger. So we got a bigger mums. This one was $10.98. The other one was $6. This one was $10. So it's yellow. And we're just gonna do the same thing. All right, so I need a little bit extra soil. So lucky for me, I picked up this Miracle Grow. And y'all know I don't have the best little green thumb. Y'all seen what happened to the plants outside. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. But, yeah. So we're gonna actually let these stay inside for a little bit before they go outside. But I just wanted to get them planted in their planter. All right, so here they are, my two DIY planters with my mums, ready for the fall season. If you guys are gonna try this again, let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite DIY project was. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all know the drill. Tell your mama them, tell your daddy them, tell your sister them, tell your brother them, tell your auntie them, tell your uncle them, tell your cousins them, tell all of them that CC's World TV has a lot going on and you don't want to miss it. I will see you guys in the next video because we're going to see Beyonce. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.